everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create lead assignment rule in Salesforce. So let us begin by understanding what is lead assignment rule in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a lead assignment rule is a feature used to automatically assign the appropriate users or queues based on a predefined criteria. These rules help ensure that leads are distributed to the right sales representatives or teams for follow-up, thereby optimizing the lead management process. So let's move ahead and learn to create lead assignment rule in Salesforce Lightning component. So for this, move to our Salesforce Lightning board. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are in the Classic edition, firstly switch to the Salesforce Lightning component. So let's proceed and learn. So firstly you have to go to your quick find box and then search for the assignment rule, and here I enter the assignment rule in the quick find box, and our lead assignment rule option is present under the marketing. Click on this lead assignment rule option. So it will redirect us to the setup of the lead assignment rule, and here you can see the already created lead assignment rule is present, but here we want to create the new lead assignment rule. So we click on the new button and it will move us to the new lead assignment rule page, and here we will enter the rule name, and here we are entering the rule name as a lead priority, and then click on the active checkbox. And if you want to make this rule active, you have to click on this active checkbox, and by activating this rule it will automatically deactivate the current lead assignment rule, as in the one time only one rule is activated. So after clicking on the active checkbox, click on the save button, and this save button redirect back us to the lead assignment rule page, and it show us our lead assignment rule that we are created lead priority. Now we want to create the rule entry for this lead priority. So we click on this lead priority rule and our lead priority page is open, and here you can see that under this lead assignment rule page, under the lead priority there is a rule entry section present, and here we want to create the new rule entry. So we click on the new button, and here we create the multiple rule in the tree under this rule. So after clicking on the new button, it redirect us to the rule entry of the lead priority. So firstly we set the order in which this rule entry will be proceed, and here we are setting the order as a 1, and then we move to our next step, that is select the criteria for the rule entry, and by defining it, it will trigger when you call the assignment rule as per the order. Here we are selecting the field first, and here we are setting the field as the lead clean status, which is equals to, and then we select the value by clicking on the lookup icon, and here we are selecting the different checkbox and then click on the insert selected button, and our criteria is filled. Now scroll down. Now this time to select the user or a queue to assign the lead to user or any other like queue partner user, but this time I will select this user, and then click on lookup icon and then select the user, and here I am selecting this user, and under this user field we see there is a checkbox present, do not reassign the owner. If you check this checkbox, you do not reassign the owner. And our another field is email template. If you want to email, you can also select the email template, and after finalizing all these things we click on the save button. So here you can see one criteria is created. If you want to create more criteria rule, so click on the new button again, and it will redirect us to the lead priority page, and then again set the order, and then again set the criteria for this rule, and this time I am selecting the criteria for this rule as a lead rating. Set the operator as a equals, and then click on the lookup icon for the value to hot, and then click on the insert selected button and then scroll down. Now select the user or a queue to assign the lead to the user queue or the partner user, but select the user and then click on the lookup icon and then select the user and then hit the save button. So now you can see two rule under this lead assignment rule case is created. So you can also create more rule for this lead priority assignment rule. If you want to create, you can again follow all these steps. So with this, we have learned how to create lead assignment rule in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.